chickpeas. When you have it in the split form and hurled, it is known as dal. We are going to look at making this chana dal bhuna style. Hello, my name is Avtaars and I hope you're having a lovely day. I've taken 1 cup of dry dal, which I've soaked it overnight. This is what it is looking like once it's been soaked. It's puffed up and the color is gone slightly lighter. I have drained the dal, soaked it in the 3 cups of water after washing, and I've kept that water. Put this on for boil. This water will get used. So while dal is going to get boiled, initially I want to do the bhuna thing. So I've taken some ghee in here, which obviously you can replace it with oil, and I'm going to keep some for later on for the tempering. So that goes in there. Fry it in that ghee. Coat dal, and that we gave it the delicious taste to the dal. Aroma is getting released now. So it's been roughly about 2 minutes and dal is actually sticking to the pan. And into this add the water that had been boiling, which I had soaked the dal. This will also leave me with the maximum nutrients. Stir it. Blended onion. For the tempering, I'm actually going to be using hing. Now, hing is used in the place of onions and garlic. I'll go less on the hing, but add the onions. Will give me a nice base. It'll go while it is boiling. It'll take you like 10-15 minutes at the most, because we want to make sure it's tender before we continue with the next stage. So while that's getting boiled, we'll start on with making the tempering for the dal. Into the ghee goes cumin seeds. They're going to start spluttering. The black peppercorn, I've taken half a teaspoon and I'm taking 1 black cardamom. Pound them, because this is what will give us all that delicious flavors to the chana dal. So that goes in as well. Let it get gently fried. 1/4 teaspoon of hing. I'm going to turn that heat off now. In goes bay leaf, ground coriander powder, some salt, red chili powder for the color. I tend to use Kashmiri red, it's got less chili heat to it. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast all those spices, and you can tell how little fat I am using. In goes the tomato paste. Now I'm okay to turn the heat up again. While the tempering is getting done to go into the dal, we'll just go and do the test. So all the water has been absorbed. There is still enough moisture there, and if I pick one, it's boiling hot, but then when I press it, it's actually gone completely mushy. If you wanted to make it more mushier, you could add more water to this and let it getting more boiled. Coming back to the tadka, the tomatoes are done. It has got thicker. I add my ground ginger paste in now. So my dal has been boiled, and now this will go in here and it will get roasted again in that sauce. So I've already done double roasting. Add some hot water to this. so that the flavors mingle with each other. Turn the heat down, cook for some more time, in simmering away on a very gentle heat for 5-10 minutes or so, and it is ready. All those aromas coming out. You may want to mash some of these with your spoon gently to give you more thicker sauce. Yellow dal or dal fry or punni dal. Chana dal is ready. It's full of flavor and there's aromatic taste to it. The sauce is so creamy, yet I love that bite to the grain, and it's absolutely delicious. I enjoyed that, and thank you for being with us, and until next time, God bless you all. Take care.